So the time it takes to make money on YouTube can vary widely based on several factors, okay? Here's a general timeline. So number one, creating content. You'll need to start consistently uploading videos. This could take weeks, months, or depending on your schedule, or content type. Could even take years. Number two is building an audience. Gaining subscribers and watch hours to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program typically takes time. You need at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year. So some creators achieve this in a few months while others take years. Joining the YouTube Partnership Program, once you meet the requirements, you can ask to apply. Approval takes several days to a few weeks. I got it in a couple days. So earning revenue. After joining the YouTube Partnership Program, you can start earning money from ads. However, it may take additional time to reach $100 through AdSense, because that's the minimum amount of time of money that it needs for you to get paid. In summary, it could take anywhere from several months to several years to start making good money on YouTube, depending on your content, your audience growth, and engagement. Also, some people focus on quality, some people focus on quantity. I have another channel where it's quality, so less videos, but more time in those videos. This channel here, I'm just telling you how to, this and that. Look, I'm driving, and I'm not even editing. I'm just gonna post it straight up, because it's a quantity channel. All right, so you choose.